Now this fourth generation language, programming language, are closer to human languages than 3GL. 3GL means third generation language and 4GL means fourth generation language. So fourth generation language are designed to reduce the overall time, effort and cost of the software development. Now difference between high level language and low level language. High level language, as I told you earlier, it is understood by us, and low level language, it is understood by the computers. Now high level language translated into machine language, then it is understood by the computer, but low level language, it is directly understood by the computers. Do not need any, does not require any translator to change. Here the differences are given. High level languages are easy to learn, and low level language, these languages are difficult to learn because it needs the symbolic codes. Second point, these languages are near to human languages, and low level languages are far from human languages. Third point, programs are high level languages are easy to modify, and programs written in these languages are difficult to modify because the instructions are in machine language already. That is why it is difficult to modify it. Next one is translator programs. Translator program means what are the language translators required to convert from high level language to computer language so that computer can understand it. The process is given here. Source code means whatever the language you are using to write, then it translator programs is the translator program is there which is translating it, and object code means what it has found after the translating of the programs. So these are the different steps are given here. Now turn the page. So there are three basic translator programs. Number one, the assembler. Assembler converts the assembly language code to binary language code. Okay, assembly language converts the assembly language code into binary language code. Second, compiler. Compiler is a translator which used to convert programs in high level language to low level language. It converts from high level language to low level language and then understood by the computers. But is the thing that it translates the whole program at a time and found the errors while translating it. Third one is the interpreter. Now interpreter is the another translator, program translator, which translate the programs before executions, and that means it is done line by line, and while translating the programs it gives the errors line by line. So compiler translates the program before executions and it completely translate into the machine code, machine language, and interpreter it translates line by line, and it also execute also line by line, and while executing it gives the errors on the screen. Now difference between the interpreter and compiler is given here. First, compiler performs the translation of program as a whole, and second one, interpreter performs a statement by statement translation. Second one, execution is faster, second is execution is smaller. Third point, requires more memory as linking is needed for the generated intermediate object code. Memory uses is efficient as no intermediate objects code is generated. After this, computer capabilities.